Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Claudia and welcome to my cleaning video. Today is a quite sad day for me. It has completed today 3 months since the love of my life passed away, and I spent the night reflecting about life and everything else, and just be very grateful for waking up every day. I ended up sleeping in the couch. In fact, the last 5 days or so I've been staying in the lounge because my daughter went to her father's home, and I'm quite scared to stay here alone, and I just watch TV until 5 a.m. Because I'm petrified, to be honest with you guys. Living alone is very hard, although my daughter is only 10, but she really keeps me company. And yes guys, so I'm here sorting out all these bedding stuff to take to the bedroom. I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope you subscribe to my channel, and thank you very much for keeping me company. If you enjoy cleaning videos, I have got few videos that I have uploaded, and I think they're quite fun to watch. Go ahead, check those out as well. Guys, it feels so weird to wake up every day and face, that my other half is no longer here. It's very, very hard. I have to say, I'm very religious. I believe in God, and I know, although it's very hard for me to accept it, I know he's in a better place. All I have in my mind is the promises that God has made to all of us humans, and I know he's in a better place, perhaps even a better place than here on this earth, So I have to keep going. Like I said, I wake up every day. I cannot be depressed, Obviously depression will be present, but I have to fight it and just believe, that things will get better. I'll never forget him. Nothing will ever change in terms of how I feel about him. But I just have to get used to the fact that he's no longer here. Death is just so mysterious. I mean, it's very mysterious, and we just have to deal with it, one day at a time. Try to comprehend, understand where that person gone, that human being full of life with so many hope and dreams, other plans. He was only 39, so he's a fairly young age, especially for a man. I mean, facing this reality every day is very challenging, especially someone that you've known since you were 17, and we've been in love this while, for decades. Yes. So, immigration has separated us. I came to live in the UK, and he went to live in Portugal, and we had few issues with, just the whole separation through living in different countries. being young, but our love always remained strong. You know, we had other people coming in our lives, in my life, in his life, but we always gravitate toward each other. And when things were looking great the last few years, we reconnected and the future was looking bright, and this tragedy has happened. But anyways, guys, I'm trying to fix this vacuum cleaner. I bought it from a Chinese shop in town, but I was struggling here trying to assemble it, trying to figure it out. Let me know in the comments below how you're doing. Have you lost anyone you love? Anyone so close to your heart? You know, when I learned that he had passed, I thought I died with him. There's no way I could carry on. I just want to say to any one of you that watch this video, you'll be okay. You will not be the same, because I feel like I'll never be the same. I pray to God to become whole again, but I know he was part of me, like he always used to say, you are part of me. And definitely when he left this world, he had taken me with him. Part of me has died, but I always have to remember, God took him. It hasn't taken me yet. So that means that I've got a job to do. I have to carry on, no matter how hard it is. I pray to God to give me guidance, strength, courage, like a wounded soldier in the middle of the battlefield. He can't ever give up until my last breath. This place is very dirty, do you agree? It's a tough thing to lose anyone, but to lose your cheerleader, the person that always believed that I was capable of doing anything, any business idea, any project, he supported me. You know, not having that is a challenge. And just the fact that I have to understand that this is it. The reality is that you never come back. I believe in resurrection. I believe in the resurrection. And I know I will meet him again. You know? Yes, guys. I hope you guys are not getting too sad, because there's hope. You know? There's hope. Even the Bible say, what the man hasn't heard and the eyes never seen is what God have reserved for us in another life. So here in this earth is a challenge, is a game. Life is definitely a game, you know. And the people that survive are the strongest. You know, when you have these challenges thrown at you, these tests be given to you unexpectedly, you don't prepare at all for this. And how you come out of it, you know, I believe is how you can help humanity, you can help others. You know, I want to be a great example for people that are going through the same thing. It's very painful. There's days that I cry non-stop. I sometimes wonder, how come I still got tears? You know, some days it's very haunted. I feel like I shouldn't be here. But then again, like I said, God has taken him, not me. And when we come in this life, we come alone. And when we leave alone. We can't latch into anybody. And that's the reality of life. It gives me great joy to know that our soul lives on. Our soul lives on, guys. Our body is just like a jacket. When it gets sick or something happens to it, it leaves. Your soul literally come out of it and lives on. We're going to see our loved ones again. There's so many days that I dreamt of him, and he used to love dancing, he loves music, and he was dancing in my dreams. He was dancing, and he actually came in my dreams when I was crying the most, when it was the first 2 weeks, when it was so fresh, so unbelievable. I saw him in my dreams, dancing. You know, that just validated that our soul lives on. And I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope you hang in there. Things will get better. You can do this. You're capable enough to carry on. Until next time.